welcome back. This video is going to be a really short and easy tutorial showing you how to make these cute little crochet hearts. Now, the size of the heart all depends on the bulk, weight, size, whatever you want to call it, of the yarn that you're using, and also the size of your hook. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to be using just regular worsted weight yarn from Red Heart, the Super Saver, and a size 5mm hook. And you can see based on my hand about, what size heart this is going to give you. If you need a smaller one, use a thinner yarn and a smaller hook. If you need a bigger one, use a thicker yarn and a bigger hook. I'm not saying that this is for beginners because we're going to be using the magic loop and treble crochets. If you do not know your basic crochet stitches, please check out my playlist on beginner crochet tutorials up here. Okay, so to start, we're going to make a magic loop. There are two different ways to do this. This is the way I do it. I'll hold it here with my thumb, loop my yarn around, make an X in the front, and then hold it like this in the back. You're going to take your hook, go under the loop that's closest to the end of your fingers, grab that second loop and just flip it over, and now your hook is in position, and we're going to be working into this circle. To start, we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now into this circle, you're going to work 3 treble crochets. Whoops, I'm starting to do a double. You see that? A treble is 2 times over. So into the center, like I said, we're going to be working 3 treble crochets. That is 1. This is 2. And this is 3. So we have 3 treble crochets into our ring here. Now we're going to work 3 double crochets. 1, 2, and 3. That's 3 doubles. Now chain 1. Now we're going to work 1 treble into the circle. There's 1 treble. Chain 1. Now we're going to work 3 doubles. 1, 2, 3. Now work 3 trebles. My yarn's pulling. 1. Whoops, a doodle. Okay, that's 1. This is 2. And this is 3. Now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we're going to lay this down, and you see your little tail end here that's been hanging loose. Just pull it, and your whole bunch of work here is just going to tighten up. Now you've got your chain 3 just hanging loose here, so we're going to go into the center of our heart for a slip stitch, just like that. Let's pull this tight again, and there's your little heart. I like to chain 1 before I cut my yarn, and then I just pull it straight through like that, and it's finished. Just like that. How adorable is that? So before I weave my ends in the back, I just like to tie a knot, because anytime I use the magic circle, I'm always terrified that it's going to come loose and come apart. So I just like to make a knot and tie it just like that. And there is a little heart. Now you want to take a tapestry needle, a yarn needle, what have you, and just run your ends through a few of your stitches and then trim them off. But there you go. A really simple, basic heart. I will put the written directions and your stitch counts and everything in the description box down below. So take a peek down there. I hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Click subscribe. Check me out on other forms of social media, the links to all of which are in the description box down below. And I hope to see y'all next time. Bye-bye.